Tu peux parler normalement.
I got a new room. Juno. Thank you. Can I open this?
Ah, mais attends, avant d'ouvrir les cadeaux, qu'est-ce que tu penses de ta nouvelle chambre?
Je l'aime. Merci, maman. Thank you, daddy.
You're welcome. Do you see a desk?
Regarde, c'est un...
It's your own desk to do your homework at.
And I get my own erasers.
And look at all this stuff.
Thank you. I love it.
Do you?
I love this stuff.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Pins.
The paperclip.
I need stuff in here and here.
Oui, c'est toi qui iras au magasin et qui iras acheter des choses et un cahier pour écrire et des crayons.
Thank you. I love it. And I love the way my bed is next to the door. Baby Lala.
Tu fais un bisou à ton daddy?
I love it for her.
Bisous daddy.
I remember my month of the year. Hiding.